Hello, good afternoon to all of you. Hello, can you all hear me?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Okay, we are going to start the session for today. So, first of all, you want to take the Get Ready for Starters book, Buddha. Get ready for
Okay.
Starters book. Get ready for starters. So, previous week we have completed the unit 5. It's I like clothes. It's I like clothes. Can you all remember? So, I'm going to give few ask a few questions from you. Okay, here I like clothes කියන lesson එක පුතේ අපි complete කරා and we have already pasted them as well. So I'm going to revise some kind of names that we are going to tell for these clothes. මෙන්න මේ clothes වලට කියන නම් අපි තව චුට්ටක් revise කරන්නයි යන්නේ. So I'm going to show you a video so you can enjoy it as well. So you can see the video as well. හැමෝටම video එක බලන්නත් පුළුවන් and you can recognize the few different names that we are using for the clothes. So this is unit 5, page number 30. We have already completed this, but I just want to remind you because last week I had a power cut. Because of that, I couldn't join at that day, on that day. Because of that, I want you to revise this. Last week එකේ පුතේ ටීචර්ට power cut එකක් තිබිච්ච නිසා join වෙන්න බැරි වුණා. ඒ නිසා ලොකු weeks දෙකකින් හම්බ වෙන නිසා තමයි මම පොඩ්ඩක් revise කරන්න බැලුවේ. All right, so here you can see different kinds of clothes. I hope you can remember the spellings also. Spellings උත් මතකයි නේද? Can you all remember spellings?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so I'm going to show you a small video. So let's watch it. It's about clothes. Everybody can watch English Sing Sing. Oh.
What should I wear today? T-shirt. T-shirt. Jeans. Jeans.
Teacher Ben.
Wow.
හැමෝටම පේන්නේ නැද්ද පුතා?
No. No, teacher.
Hello?
No, teacher. No, no, teacher. No.
Anyone can't see?
No, teacher.
Okay, give me 1 second.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, I'm going to play it now. Look at that and tell me, can you see it or not?
English
No.
sing.
Now, can you see?
No teacher. No teacher. No teacher.
Okay, then I
teacher.
have to stop that. Okay, I'll show you later because there's something wrong with this, I think. All right. Okay, one video ko puthe pass දාන්න because I think there's a network or something like that, network error or something like that. Because of that, there's a problem. All right, then let's start the revision. Today we want to do revision. Then that's from all the lessons that we have learned previous. අපි ඉගෙන ගත්ත lessons වලින් තමයි පුතේ අපේ revision 1 කියන එක තියෙන්නේ. That's why I wanted you to have a kind of a revise there, but there's a problem with the network. All right, now you can see this revision 1. Look at the picture for 1 minute. Listen to your teacher and write the answers. Here I'm going to ask few questions about this picture. Especially it's about prepositions. Especially it's about prepositions that we have learned. So you know we have done few of prepositions. What are the kinds of prepositions you have learned? Yes, what do you mean by on? Tell me what is on. Yes, Uda. Very good. On. Now I am going to ask from you, where is the cat? Where is the cat?
On the roof.
Yes, where is the cat?
On the roof.
Good. On the roof. Very good answer is on the roof. All right. Next one. Where is the horse? Where is the horse? Now tell me, where is the horse?
Behind the house. Behind the house.
Very good. Behind the house. Okay. You can see there's a horse and also a goat. So especially when we can see the horse, we can see that horse is behind the house. All right. Now tell me, where is the fish?
In the pond. In the pond.
Yes, in the pond. The fish is in the pond. All right, good. Okay, next one. Where is the cow? Where is the cow?
Next to the tree.
Yes, very good. It's next to the house or else you can see Puta next to the tree. Next to the house. ගන්න පුළුවන්. Next to the tree කියලා ගන්නත් පුළුවන්. Okay, now tell me, where is the bird? Where is the bird?
On the wall. On the wall.
Very good. On the wall. On the wall.
On the wall. On the wall.
Good.
On the
Now
wall.
tell me, where is the frog?
On the leaf.
Yes, on the leaf. Very good. On the leaf. On the
On the
leaf.
leaf. On the leaf.
Okay, good. Now you can see that those are the questions that I wanted to ask from you. Questions it's about prepositions, different kinds of prepositions that we have learned. All right, next one, look at the next picture. So you have a puzzle. You have a puzzle to write the answers. Now what you want to do here is you want to fill these boxes by using the given pictures. මේ pictures දීලා තියෙනවත් එක්ක තමයි පුතේ අපිට මේ ටික පාවිච්චි කරන්න වෙන්නේ. So first one is bathroom. You know, if we want to have a bath or if we want to have a kind of a shower, so we want to use this place. It's the bathroom. What is it? It's the bathroom. So you can see number 3. It's a hall. We can call it as hall. පුතා අපි කියනවා ඒකට hall කියලා. So HALL hall. So number 3 downwards. Number 3 downwards, you have to write the words HALL hall. Likewise, you can write the other answers here. අනිත් ඒ විදිහට පුතේ අනිත් words ටික find out කරලා try කරන්න answers ලියන්න හැමෝම. Try to write the answers. You can do it alone without the help from parents. puzzle එක fill කරන්නයි පුතේ තියෙන්නේ. දීලා තියෙන pictures වලින් තමයි ඔයාලා words find out කරන්න ඕනේ. Yes, first one is bathroom. Then here you can see the third one, it's hall. That's what I have told you, HALL. Number 3 downwards, you should write hall. HALL.
Teacher,
Yes.
හතරවෙනි එක මොකක්ද?
Yes, you can ask teacher what is number 4. Yes, what is number 4? It's the garden. It's the garden.
Teacher, what is number 5?
Yes, where you sit and watch TV and sit and relax at home with your parents. What is that place?
Living room.
Yes, it's a living room, the place where you can have a relaxed mind and also you can watch TV and you can talk with your parents. So that's kind of a place also we can known as living room. So write the word living room.
Teacher, what is number 2?
Yes, where you can cook, Huda, where you can cook. What is that
Kitchen.
place? Yes, that is the
Kitchen.
kitchen. Yes. It's very easy because these are the places that you know very well because those are inside a home. Only this number 3 is a little bit hard for you because we don't have much hall. Hall කියන එක පුතේ ලංකාවේ පාවිච්චි වෙනවා අඩුයි. ඒක විතරයි difficult එකකට තියෙන්නේ. But other places you can recognize very well because bedroom is there, living room is there, and kitchen is also there. So those places are definitely with us. If places ටික අපිට අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම ගෙදර තියෙනවා. Yes, sorry for that disturbance. I hope you all can hear me now. All right, have you all finished writing this?
Yes, yes. Finish. Yes.
All right, I'm going to write the answers now. Okay, then I will write the answers. First one is bathroom. Then number 2 is kitchen. K I T C H E N. KITCHEN, kitchen. So bathroom and also kitchen. You can see here. Number 3 is the hall. HALL. Okay, can you see? Next one, number 4. Number 4 is the garden. GAR. Check your answer with a red pen, Puta. Give it to parent, give it to your parent and put a mark. EN. Garden. So you can see number 4 is a garden. So next one is number 5. Number 5 is the living room. LIVING. Yes, there's a problem with that. Okay, I'll write like this. LIVING. Living. How can you spell room, Puta? ROOM. ROOM, living room. Okay, last one is here. You can see one across, then across can harahata pute bedroom. BEDROOM. double O M. Okay, these are the answers. Please check your answers, everybody, and put a tick with a red pen. Mama, red pen again. Tick එකක් දාගන්න. Everybody, please put a tick with a red pen. Then you can understand what are the answers, which are the answers correct and which are the wrong one.
මාරි දාන්නේ තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ.
If you can't understand, you can ask anything, Puta. Okay, have you all checked it? හැමෝම check කරගත්තා නේද? I'm going to erase it. Can you hear me? Okay, here you want to find 10 differences. මෙතන පුතේ differences 10ක් හොයන්න තියෙනවා.